In today's video, I'll show you how to create tags in Zoho Desk. Tags are a simple yet powerful way to organize your tickets, making it easy to track, filter, and manage customer requests efficiently. Start by opening the Tickets module in Zoho Desk and selecting the ticket you want to label. On the left pane, you will see the Tags section. For a shortcut, press Shift+T to jump straight to the tags field. Begin typing the word or phrase you want as your tag-like feature request. Zoho Desk will suggest existing tags to keep things consistent. If a suitable suggestion appears, click it to reuse. If not, finish typing your new tag and press enter. Your tag will be created and assigned to the ticket instantly. Using tags helps categorize tickets, identify trends, and streamline team workflow. Regularly reviewing and maintaining tags ensures your support system stays organized and efficient. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can start creating and managing tags to keep your Zoho Desk organized and productive.